Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about AXS Infinity. Guys, what's the price changes occur in AXS Infinity. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about AXS Infinity. The currently live price changes occur in AXS Infinity is the market is $69.43 USD. $69.43 is the currently live latest price of the AXS Infinity. And furthermore guys, if we talk about the price changes over in AXS Infinity, so now you can see here guys that the latest last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 day, last 1 week changes over in the AXS Infinity is going negative. The price very badly decrease, the price very badly dumps. So guys, the previous time of the AXS Infinity is a bad time, and the latest time of the AXS Infinity is a good time. I recommend for you to please hold, don't decide to sell. Now you can see here guys, at this time the price very badly decrease, very badly the price dumps. Very badly guys. Negative 8.33% the price decrease, and $76.2 USD, that is the highest price. And now currently the right now price of the AXS Infinity is $69.55 USD. A very big loss occurring in AXS Infinity also. So guys, that's why I'm warning all of you that please don't decide to sell. You're in the loss, and if you hold, I recommend for you to hold. If you hold, so possibilities 80% chances that in the beginning of a new month the price will pump. So that's why I recommend for you to please hold, don't decide to sell. Anyways guys, what you think, what is your prediction about AXS Infinity? Also share in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about AXS Infinity.